So in this KOHO Financial tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy Dogecoin on the KOHO Financial application. So once the KOHO app is opened up on the home page here, go to this top bar where it says spend, credit, borrow, save, invest, and press on invest. And then where it says KOHO Crypto is here, just scroll down to where it says explore crypto and select that. Once you're on the KOHO Crypto page, you can either go to where it says top crypto assets under most popular and scroll down. So for me, Dogecoin is right here. If you don't see it, press on see all. Then at the top, you can search up, or you can just scroll down and find Dogecoin. Once you're on the Dogecoin page, if you just go ahead and press buy, it'll bring you to this screen where you have to go ahead and answer a few personal questions as well as just follow the next couple of steps. Once all is good to go for you, you can continue here with the transaction of buying Dogecoin. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to buy Dogecoin on KOHO Financial. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.